Hello everyone, this is Andamantra Resort in Phuket, Thailand. This is villa number 8705. Let me give you a room tour. Living room. There is a swimming pool outside. Here there is a small dining table for a family of 4, and over here there is a coffee place with water, microwave and a tea kettle. Over here there is a table with a chair here which can be used for the study table or office table. There is a bed and a sofa with a view, with an ocean view, garden view and villa view outside. Let me show you the view from the living room as we go to the second bedroom. As you can see, it is a beautiful view. You can see the garden, ocean view, and we also have a swimming pool here. This is the lounge area where you can enjoy tea and snacks and chat with your friends as you enjoy the scenery. Now let's go into the second bedroom. So as you can see, this is a very good sized bedroom as it has lamps, a good sized bed, a TV, and the bedroom also has its own bathroom.